Hey guys, Matt here, President, CEO of Traveler Security Lock. Just want to show you the next best thing to locking your door, whether it be a hotel door, garage door, don't matter what it is. Real quick, what it is, comes in a leather carrying case. You open it up, real simple, 2 pieces. Let me show you how it works. Super easy to install. You take the locking body and the locking bar just like that. Right-handed door, left, right. Right-handed goes in here, right into the striker plate. Fits on any one. Doesn't matter, whichever you want to do. Since it's a right-handed door, right side's over there. Left hand, just opposite. Real quick, real easy. From there, you close the door just like this, and as you do it, it slides right in there. It's just hanging. From there, come over here, you take the locking body, slides right over top there. From there, just a few quick turns, and you're good to go. Puts 9 tons of pressure up against this door and door frame. You can't get in from the outside at all. Say you're in an emergency, you need a quick release, right? Very simple. You put 2 fingers on the bottom of this, finger right there, push right on off, and you're right out the door. Traveler Security Lock, super easy. If you have any questions, give us an email, give us a call, 240-566-6225.